1. Decide which brand of tire you want. A specific brand dealer will be able to get you a much better price on the brand his store is owned by, because he gets them direct from the factory. When you try to get a brand different from the one the dealer has, he buys them from a tire wholesaler, and then marks them up 20% to 30%. Many companies have stopped selling direct to dealers and department stores, instead marketing their tires through a larger wholesaler and controlling the price level by having dealers join an alliance program. Big box stores such as Sears and Walmart, and warehouse stores such as Costco and Sam's Club, often have low but probably non-negotiable prices on tires. 2. Do your homework. Know which tire you want when you walk in. They will be pushing their top-of-the-line tire at the moment because the salespeople get more commission per tire on those. 3. Try not to accept the first offer. Tires are marked up, and most salespeople will work out the quote with the suggested retail price. This can be anywhere from $5 to $50 over store cost per tire. Make sure the quote includes installation and balance. 4. Be polite. A common sentiment among salespeople is that discounts vary upon customer attitude. 5. Get quotes from other dealers before stepping into the store. The best way to do this is call and ask for prices on the tires that you have decided to purchase. They will try to sell you another brand that they claim is a better deal, which is sometimes true. Getting quotes from multiple dealers will help you determine when dealers are being honest and when they are simply out for more money. 6. Always consider buying from an online tire store. You may find a better deal than any brick-and-mortar store, even after you add shipping charges. This is especially true for less popular brands of tires and/or high-performance tires. Online stores will often ship the tires directly to a mechanic of your choice, who will perform the actual installation. Online stores such as Tire Rack will often provide numerous reviews of different kinds of tires and ratings of various aspects of their performance such as ride, wet and dry traction, fuel consumption, and longevity. TireRack.com will also give you prices for local tire installers. Go to the installation section. Remember that installation and balancing is an additional cost. Any warranty claims are with the online retailer and not the installer. 7. Check comparisons on reputable websites like safercar.gov. 8. Consider carefully the lifespan of tires. Bear in mind that a tire that lasts twice as long will cost half as much to buy and half as much to have mounted, have the old tire disposed, etc.